How to cook a whole chicken in minutes in an Instant Pot. Imagine the aroma of a perfectly seasoned piece of poultry, cooked to perfection. Begin with 2 teaspoons of your favorite seasoning, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 each of paprika and pepper, blended with a tablespoon of oil. Add the resulting mixture to your poultry, ensuring it's well coated. Place your seasoned chicken on the steam rack, atop a cup of water. Secure the lid, close the vent, and pressure cook for 5 minutes per pound, allowing around 15 minutes for the pot to pressurize. Once cooked, let your chicken rest for another 15 minutes before releasing the pressure. Now, savor your masterpiece and enjoy every bite. Delightful.
Did you know that chicken bone broth is packed full of vitamins, minerals, and collagen? This liquid gold is not just a culinary delight, but a health booster too. And the best part? It can be easily brewed at home, right in your Instant Pot. So stay tuned to learn how to make this nutritional powerhouse at home. To make this broth, you'll need a cooked chicken carcass, carrots, celery, an onion, salt, apple cider vinegar, and pepper. The chicken carcass is the star of the show, providing a rich, savory flavor. Our veggie trio, carrots, celery, and onion, adds a delightful sweetness, while the salt and pepper bring out the natural flavors. The apple cider vinegar is a secret weapon. Its acidity helps to extract the nutrients from the bones. Now, let's dive into the cooking process. First, place all the ingredients in your Instant Pot. Now comes the crucial part, the cooking process. Set your Instant Pot to the soup/stew setting for the longest time possible. Yes, you heard it right, the longest time possible. This is not just any regular cooking, it's a slow simmer that extracts the maximum flavor and nutrients from the bones and veggies. Now you might be tempted to rush things, but patience is key here. Once your soup has finished its first 2-hour cycle, run it again for another 2 hours, and then let the magic continue overnight by leaving your Instant Pot on keep warm. After a good night's sleep, your broth is nearly ready. In the morning, strain the veggies and carcass from the broth. The next step is crucial. Take a moment to taste your creation. This is not just about checking the seasoning. It's about experiencing the depth of flavor you've achieved. If needed, season with salt and pepper. Remember, it's your broth, your masterpiece, and you're the artist. Adjust the taste to your liking, because you're the one who knows what's best for your palate. There you have it, a delicious homemade chicken bone broth. We hope you've enjoyed this tutorial on how to make chicken bone broth in an Instant Pot. Why not give it a whirl? Your taste buds and health will thank you. Happy cooking, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious and nutritious recipes. Welcome to a minute of culinary magic. Today's recipe, chicken and rice soup in an Instant Pot. Start by selecting sauté mode and add 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil. Toss in 3 cloves of minced garlic, 1 chopped onion, 2 ribs of chopped celery, and 3 chopped carrots. Stir until the onions turn translucent. Next, sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of dried thyme and half a teaspoon of dried rosemary. Pour in 6 cups of chicken broth and half a cup of rice. Secure the lid, seal the valve, select pressure cook, and set for 6 minutes. Once the time's up, let the pressure release naturally for about 10 minutes. Then, release the steam valve. Voila! You've got a steaming pot of delicious chicken and rice soup. Enjoy this comfort in a bowl straight from your Instant Pot.